Hi YouTube, today we're going to be creating our first web services using JAX-WS. Alright, first thing you're going to do is you're going to go into File. Alright, we're going to create a dynamic web project. This is your first Hello World web service. We're going to call it Web Service. Alright, we're going to go to Next right now. Next, yes, I do want to generate that. Alright, cool. Let it load, and we go into web service right here. Alright guys, so what do? We're going to go into your Java resource folder right now. You're going to go into source, and you're going to create a package. Let's name the package. Alright, let's name the package Hello Service End Point. And in that class, we're gonna create a web service name hello. Is it? Create a class, and let's name the class hello. Alright guys. Now we got this. Now what you want to do is right now we're going to import JAX-WS. Import Java X JWS web method. Okay. Import Java X JWS web service. Alright. And we're going to put an annotation here called web service. Awesome. Now let's just create a string. Private string message equals new string hello. Alright. And now we're going to create a web method. When creating a web method using JAX-WS is you have to put an annotation called web and name it web method. And we're going to put it public string, say hello, and let's name the string equals name, return message plus name, and we'll put a period here. Okay. Good. Awesome. Alright. So now we have to save and compile the project. So what you're going to do, so we're going to compile it right now. So we go here. Clean the project right now. We'll clean it. Okay, good. Awesome. And now what you want to do is we're going to go into our directories. You're going to go into your project directory right now using the command prompt. All right, let's just go here, cmd. I'm going to go into my workspace, cd workspace, and I'm going to go into the project directory. So I called it web service, cd web service. Awesome. So right now you're going to enter this command. This command is part of the JEE compiler. So when you download Java 7 or Java 8, or any version of Java, it'll come with a web service API that you can create web services with. So we're going to create a soup service with this command, JE. Let's put it in here so y'all can see. Shit. All right. You're gonna go type WSGN class path build classes. You're going where the class. You're going to go into the section, into the folder of your project where all the classes are. All right. Now you're going to go into WSDL. You're going to go into R. You're going to go into web. Web content slash web INF slash WSDL dot s dot source dot d dot build classes and equal space hello service endpoint slash hello, the name of your class, and let's see what happens. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Remember, when you go in here right now, you're going to go into web content right now. This is my mistake. You're going to go in here into web content, web file, and you're going to create a WSDL file. So we're just going to call it a WSDL folder, You're going to create a folder, and you're going to call it WSDL. WSDL stands for Web Descriptive Language. Description Language. Web Description Language, all right. And we're going to try this command again. All right, they're going to give you a little error. And now you go back into your project, and you go into, and I want to go in there, and I want to refresh the project. All right. And you'll see in your WSDL, you see a package has been created from the API. And if you look into your WSDL folder, a schema, an XML schema has been created. So that's good. Awesome. Now, I'm running Glassfish here on my application server. I think you can use, if you're using, so yeah. All right. But if you're using Tomcat or WebLogic or JBoss or something, there is a way, but I'm not sure how to do it for either one. I think I know how to do it for WebLogic. All right, stop the jargon. We're gonna now we're now gonna run this on Glassfish. So I'm gonna run this on my application server. Go to start. You see it's here. I have a bunch of applications on my application server, but we're gonna go onto web service and you click finish. It's gonna be uploaded. Don't worry about the error message. Just copy. Paste. If you're on Glassfish, you can do this. So I'm gonna go into my Glassfish admin right now. Localhost for Glassfish admin is 484. Hold up. It's kind of funny on me. So I'm gonna go to Glassfish admin panel. Yeah, so it should be localhost. Yeah, it's supposed to be localhost 484. Let me try that again. Sorry about that, guys. Now if I type 484 here. Alright, now I'm logged into my admin panel. Okay. 484. I'm logging into my admin panel right now. Alright, as you can see on your applications, you go into where we called our application name web service. Through here, if you go to your view endpoint on Glassfish, you can actually test your API. So we're going to go onto our tester right now. You see we have our say hello function. So we're going to say, let's say hello to Brett. And you get the request right over here, and you can see here. So this is a response, and from the request, you can see our SOAP response is hello brick. As you can see. Now we're going to put it on. Now we're going to create a client. So, all right, now we're going to test this on the client end. So, yeah. All right, so we're going to create another Java. We're going to create a Java project, not a JDE project, just for testing right now. We're going to go here. We're going to call it Java project. And we're going to call this client web service. All right. And we're going to cancel this stuff right now. Now we're going to go back into the command line, and we're going to import the project into our Java client. So cd, and we're going to go into the directory. We're going to call it cd web service client. Should I name it again? Oh, client web service cd client web service cd client web service. Awesome. Now we're going to go into the source file, and you're going to import. You're going to import from the WSDL on the app from the application server. So we're going to type this. So ws import .s .http .localhost .808 .web service and hello service .whistle. And here's the command. Run that. Let's try that again. Maybe there's a spacing issue. Maybe if I just do that. Yeah. Make sure you parse it. Okay, the code it has compiled. So we go back into our browser. Go F5, refresh it, and you see the package has been imported to your client. Now, in here, we're now going to create a class name client using a default package. And yes, we do want to have a main method, and make sure you import it. So we go import hello service dot endpoint dot hello, and we go import hello service dot endpoint dot hello service. See, and now we're just gonna get the port hello service equals hello greeting service dot get hello port. We're gonna get the port now. And we're just gonna put these here. Print line. We're gonna call it call web service service. Okay, and we're gonna call this system dot out dot print line dot greeting dot say hello, and we're gonna say hello to Brick, and system dot out dot print line, and we're gonna call end service. All right, and we're gonna compile this right now. See, so we go to client. We're just gonna run as a Java application, and I'm going to go back to the JEE. As you can see on my console, what we get here is call web service, hello break, and end service. This is the end tutorial for JAX-WS using Java. I hope you all enjoy. All right.